Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos Yeeps. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your workspace for an efficient cooking experience. We'll focus on a straightforward approach, ensuring you can create a tasty meal without any fuss. This easy method is perfect for busy weeknights or when you crave a quick, satisfying dish. Get ready to enjoy homemade tacos Yeeps in no time, following these simple steps. To begin, ensure you have your main protein, like 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, ready. Next, finely chop 1/4 cup of onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic for maximum flavor. Don't forget your taco seasoning, about 1 tablespoon and 1/2 cup of water to create a savory sauce. Finally, have 12 small tortillas and your preferred toppings, such as cheese and lettuce, prepped and waiting. Now let's cook the filling. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your ground meat and cook it thoroughly, breaking it apart with a spoon until it's completely browned. Once cooked, carefully drain any excess fat from the skillet. Then, stir in the chopped onion, minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, and 1/2 cup of water. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the sauce thickens. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble your tacos. Warm your tortillas, either in a microwave for 15 seconds or on a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side to make them pliable. Spoon a generous amount of the flavorful meat filling into the center of each warm tortilla. Then, customize your tacos with your favorite toppings, like shredded cheddar cheese, crisp lettuce, or a dollop of sour cream. Serve them immediately and savor your easy, homemade tacos Yeeps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.